It's awesome. I mean, it's just absolutely
That's the hotel. No, that's either a hotel or the
show window where the lights are dark.
Yes.
Hi there. Thank you. Oh, okay, we have to pick up that tree. What?
Yeah. Those who just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, and mouth. You look real hard, and you just find your We're now passing over Critter Country, where Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear make their home while here settlers were inspired to move west. You're seeing this view just like many of them did, from the comfort of a genuine steam-powered train. When these iron horses first started crisscrossing the country in the 1800s, the time it took folks to reach the west dropped from months to a matter of days. Everyone, thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids.
It was quiet as it came in. You were right.
Permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Steam's not too bad. You may want to take one more look at the majestic Blue Mountain and the happiest cruise that ever sailed. It's a small world. Folks, ahead of us lies the future. Well, I guess we all know that. What I mean to say is, we're heading into Tomorrowland, where everything is possible. If you look overhead, you might catch a glimpse of a Mark V monorail behind the wheel of a car, and no license is required. If you've ever wanted to become an astronaut, then you might want to stop at Space Mountain and Star Tour. Por favor, no tome fotos.